Hello natural hair community and welcome back to my channel. If you aren't already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Join me on my journey of natural hair care and continued education of black and textured hair. Alright guys, I am back today to show y'all a visual of my hair. In my last video where I did my 2-year lock reattachment, I know that the footage was a little bit blurry, so I wanted to give myself a chance to come back on here and get a clearer look into my locks.
Does it what?
Is it in focus on my hair?
Mm-hmm.
It is?
Mm-hmm.
So you can see this piece?
Mm-hmm.
It's all like messed up right there.
Mm-hmm.
OmniBeats.com. OmniBeats.com. OmniBeats.com.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair content, and I will see you guys in my next video.